Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're opening up brown paper packages, a box I've loved for a long time. So this is a lifestyle subscription and it's bi-monthly, meaning you get it every other month, which I love. Every time I open a bi-monthly box, I rave about it because I think it's great. You spend less money and you get more time to use the items inside. And this one's unique compared to all the other boxes I get. It's so well curated. There's always a theme. The items are a little bit different than you get in other boxes, which is a good thing in my opinion. I just really like it. I will link this down below. So the brown paper packages is by the Hutch sisters. They're based out of Canada, but of course they ship to the US because I am in Florida. And speaking of Florida, you guys, if I look weird or am moving weird, I got so sunburned yesterday. I usually don't let this happen to me, but I had a fun boat day. Just mostly on like my shoulders and the back of my body. My face is a little red too and stuff, but yeah, that's why. It's like I can't even like, tried to cover it up, but this box is heavy. Let's get this open and see what's inside. I'm excited. I think this came, I have a pile going on while I was in Europe. So, oh my gosh. It is always so cutely packaged. What is it like a little garden spoke? Is that even a word? I don't know what I just said, but this is so cute. And with this tissue paper here, I bet it is like spring, like floral theme. Let's see. Fancy Blossoms is the theme. I know that because they always have this sticker right there. It says it. Oh, Emmy's coming out. Emmy, what do we got over here? The tissue paper is so cute. Let's try and reuse it. So this is the April and May box, and this probably came when it did come when I was in Europe. I know because my cat sitter brought this inside for me, so that's why I'm opening it a little bit late. Look how cutely packaged everything is. Fancy bloomers. So in here, they'll talk about the items inside, and I'll give the pricing, and the pricing's in Canadian dollars. And they use like local artisans and like people, businesses from Canada, which I think is super cool. And I'm so excited. And I'll tell you what the next box is. So the box is starting to ship in June is We Sell, She Sells. We Sell, She See. Wow, oh my God. Clearly I can't say that tongue-tied thing. We Sell Seashells. I was collecting seashells yesterday. Well, I didn't keep any but for my mom's friends who were in town. They were getting some. They're bringing them back to Chicago. But anyways, let's get started. Oh my God. Let's open this first. Look how cutely packaged this is. Okay, my scissors here. Oh, I should see if it says what this little extra is. Isn't this for gardening? It must just be a little extra, which is really nice of them. Because I don't see it on here. So thank you. Ooh. It's a water bottle. I love this. Oh my God, it's so cute. Look at the flowers on it. I love floral print. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. And I'm all about using water bottles, glass water bottles. So make the environmentally conscious shift with this reusable water bottle design with the threaded bamboo lid and silicone sleeve featuring gold floral line work. I love that. This is going to be my new favorite. BPA free, leak proof, hand wash only, various color, and it's from a local Canadian distributor, $19. I always do that like before I put it in my bag, like shake it. I love that it says it's leak proof. So love this, starting off strong. Let's move to the next item. It's like Christmas, everything's individually packaged. So cute. There's like a little button here. So cute. Here, Emmy. She's just watching me. Sunflower facial scrub. Is this by Stray Cat? It kind of looks like it. They feature this company called Stray Cat Cosmetics often. Let's see. Yep. Yeah, it says it right here too. Sunflower facial scrub by Stray Cat. So I love this company because, well, I've liked the items I've gotten from them. I've gotten both makeup and skincare at this point. More skincare now. But they donate some of their proceeds to animal charities. I love that. And I could totally use this, especially once, I always get peely, like after I get a little color, even if it's just tan. So I'll need to exfoliate my skin, get that peeling, like, you know, get some fresh skin after being in the sun. Plus it's always nice to exfoliate. And I love that it says sunflower. Let's see if there's anything else in here. This creamy exfoliating scrub gently eliminates dead cells and rough skin, refines skin's texture, and nourishes. Rich in natural plant extracts and infused with hydrating oils, formulated with naturally derived sunflower wax beads. It's paraben-free, and then it says a stray cat donates to animal charities. Can I talk? No. This is a $20 value. Next. Ooh, this is heavy. Seriously, don't they do such a cute job? Emmy, come here. People want to see you. Well, I do. Ooh. Oh my gosh, this little cup or is this a vase? I can't tell. You can probably use it for either. Look how cute this is. Let's see what it says. There's something else in here too. Oh, cool. It's a candle holder. I didn't even think that. Frosted votive holder. Votive candles are the bigger ones. Is this... Okay. Yeah, there's candles in here, I'm pretty sure. And look how they wrapped it. Everything is so on theme. This is so cute. I'm all about candles. I have one on right over there. And I have one that's going out to a tarot reading. For Dana, hi if you're watching. You should have that by now. Oh my god. It smells so good. But I lit a candle for her. It's almost done. Oh my god, it smells so good. And this is votive candles. Since we couldn't include a real bouquet in this box, we've included the next best thing. Fresh cut flower votives will scent the room with beautiful wildflowers. Each votive burns for 15 plus hours. Handmade in Canada. And what does it say about the... Oh yeah, it could be a mini planter, a pencil holder. It could be for votive candles, flowers. Oh man, these smell so good. Oh. So you can just put this in here. And then it'll light up and it'll look so cool, I know. I'm so excited. Oh my god, it smells so good. I love it. Totally goes with the theme. And then, is this a makeup bag? Look how cute. Everything is so well curated. Oh, sorry, there's phone vibrating. And there's stuff in it. There's even more in here. Okay, so perfect for a makeup bag because it has that lining in there. I could use a new one, nice. And then what do we have here? Are these like dish towels? Oh my gosh, so cute. Like I said, I love floral print. So yeah, you could just like put this on your oven. It looks like a little dress. And then is this like a little mat? Can you like dry your dishes on here or use it as a placemat? Let's see what it says. Oh my god, it's so bright and fun. A drying mat and hand towel set. Yes, I was actually right with my thoughts on that. Brighten up your work area with this colorful and feminine set. Super cute design will cheer up your kitchen. Yes, and it's also great for drying makeup brushes. Something I've needed to do for like a year now. Seriously, kick me in the butt. Like I should start wearing more of my makeup. And this is like one of the reasons why I don't always wear eyeshadows because I have not cleaned my brushes in so long. So that's like, okay, this makes me feel like bright and energized. So I will do that or at least dry my dishes on it. So cute and fun. And then the makeup bag. Where does it say that on here? Oh, it's our gift to you, a floral makeup bag. Always useful. This extra large bag features a delicate floral design, various colors. So nice. And we're not done, you guys. There's so much stuff in front of me right now. Let's see what we got here. Again, everything is right on theme. Emmy likes the sound of it. Body oil. I love body oil and I could use this. My skin needs some TLC. Pinky Posh Fox Vegan Bath and Body Oil. Golden oil blended with roses to inspire connection to body, mind, and mood. Let's see if I can get this open so we can smell it. Oh, and you can see some flowers in there. This is awesome. I go through body oils pretty quick. I love it. I kind of prefer them to body lotion. I guess it depends, but wait, did it opens well enough? Oh, I just got some on my nose. That's okay. That's where I got a little burnt. That looks so bad. This smells so good though. It's a light floral scent. Very clean smelling. I like it. Nice. Let's see if it describes it better than I did. Rose-infused body oil serum. Packed with nourishing, skin-loving, rose-infused oils, this multi-purpose serum can be used on body and hair. Inspired by Chanel No. 5. Oh, cool. I don't know if I've ever smelled that. So cool. The incredible scent includes lavender, essential vanilla, and sandalwood. Helps with elasticity, providing long-lasting hydration, and leaves skin smooth, silky, and glowing. It's non-GMO, vegan, and proudly handmade in Canada. Nice. Oh, smells so good. And then last but not least, we have a drink mix again. I feel like last month we got something a little bit different than the drink mixes, but we normally get, or not last month, the last box, Gourmet du Village, Cosmo. Cranberry flavored mix. I had one of the best Cosmos I've ever had in Italy. Well, I had more than one. They were so good. I'm super excited. So you get like the mix and then you just add the alcohol yourself. So you combine 800 milliliters of cold water, the Cosmo mix, and then if you want, you can add vodka. I guess you can have like a virgin one if you wanted. So 1 cup of vodka, and then you mix it all together. Fill your glass with the prepared Cosmo and garnish with pomegranate and cranberries and enjoy. For a classic cocktail, just moisten the rim of your glass with lemon and coat it with our cranberry lime sugar rimmer. This looks so good. Oh my gosh. And it's like fruity too a little bit, like that florally, like Cosmo. But that was so good, you guys. I always love this box. Let me know what you think. Again, the June box is We Sell Seashells by the Seashore. Okay, I said it right that time. Say it 5 times fast, but anyways, that's it. Thank you, Brown Paper Packages, for sending this to me. I love your box so much, and thank you guys for being here and watching. I am so grateful for each and every one of you. I love you so, so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment, and do something special for yourself today. You deserve it. I love you. Bye.